Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We're actually in a Cedar Creek cottage model, and we have these coming here at Layzee Acres this winter. This is a 413 FWC. It's the third version of the fifth wheel cottage that they're building. Tim Crest, my boy, coming up with some awesome floor plans. I know Chris from 12, 15 years ago selling a Zinger product, but this is incredible floor plan design. Front living room, fifth wheel, park style trailer. Take a look at the finish we got around these windows, Brennan. Front windows, of course, square windows with the blinds built in, but this is just to die for. The deep woods in this model is fantastic. We got 3 drawers, pardon me. These are pop down pieces, Brennan.
There's 4 of them.
2 drawers, 2 pop downs, 1 on either side. We got a seat here. I can sit down, eat some grapes. TV across from this massive Chase lounge. Fireplace, nice minimalist fireplace with shelves on either side there. We got this wicked looking ottoman in here too. You think this light comes with it?
I don't think so.
Neither do I. I hope it doesn't come with it, actually.
No.
It's a chintzy looking light.
It's probably from Tim's living room.
It's probably from Tim's living room.
There's a picture of Tim and his wife in the bedroom.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, right on. I've never met his wife. I'm sure she's lovely. As you come down the stairs here, how about the width of these stairs?
It's a very gradual step. They're not big steps.
You're right. You're right, Brennan. Coming down here into the kitchen area, we're at a display, right? So we got some things on the counter, kind of showing things off, but you got your garbage can location there, spot for the garbage bags.
Cool.
What's that for?
Just sticking stuff inside it, but
what is that for?
I don't know. In bathrooms, it's for hair dryers. I don't know what you're loading in there.
Yeah. Hit me up in the
American
comments
thing.
what that's for.
Ooh.
Look at how tight that is, eh? That's beautiful. Right here is our residential Samsung fridge. We got some waters there for the boys at the display. Cupboard space across the top. I cannot get over how much I love the gray with the deep dark brown accents on this model. Big fan. Cupboard space, all recessed lighting, all soft closed doors, counter space on both sides of our 3-burner stovetop, 3 drawers here down the left hand side, all dovetail drawers, 3 drawers down the right hand side as well. We've got 4 drawers underneath the island. We have that recessed accessory sink, so pull out sprayer, waterfall, glass cleaner, soap dispenser, cupboard space there as well underneath. And then flipping over here into that dinette space, it's that beautiful L-shaped style dinette here. That is so elegant, eh?
I really like that. A lot of people are building that into their houses now.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, it reminds me of back home where I grew up in Georgia.
Where the peaches grow.
That's it, eh? As we come in the model here, we got to go quick because we're kind of blocking some people from seeing this model, but there's your pull-out pantry drawers. Awesome. Some more cover space here and here.
And there's another pantry over here.
Oh! You store your food in the bathroom, Brandon?
I didn't know there was
That's really weird that you do that.
This is cool.
You just keep the milk in the toilet bowl or what?
This is where I have my cereal.
Cover space down below, beautiful looking mirror in through there, vessel style sink, solid surface, even in the secondary washroom. Gotta love that. And as we slide back here, this is a beautiful, look at the height here, Brendan.
Unbelievable.
That's a gorgeous looking fan. We got cupboards across the top of the bed, windows on both sides of the bed. Of course it's a king. Of course we can get around here nice and easy. This feels like a house. TV across from that bed. 4 drawers here, again, dovetail. We got a spot there we can pull on our PJ pants. Nice door side window there as well. You good, Brendan?
Yep.
Okay. Just scratching your face in a weird way. Nice big bathroom here. Goodness.
Unbelievable storage.
This is a room with a toilet, not a bathroom.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This is massive back here through here. Take a look at that. I imagine that's gonna be an optional piece. We're probably gonna bring it in that way. Beautiful, shower with nice texture in here. I'm 6 feet tall. Probably look like I'm about 3 feet tall in the shower. Gorgeous, nice window across the back. Double vessel sinks. Did you see it in the camera?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Drawers down the center. Coverage space here and here. Wow. Wow. Look at all this, eh? I can't get over the finish here. I haven't seen finish this good. Have you?
No.
I haven't seen it. This is, like, look at the height on this door. This is gorgeous. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Leave us a comment down below. Have yourself a good day.